In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent bullet points in Slack, enabling you to make your messages more readable and organized. This skill is not only handy for everyday communication, but also essential for anyone involved in team projects or collaborative workspaces within Slack. With clearer and more organized messages, your team will be able to understand priorities and dependencies within your notes and lists more efficiently. First, let's navigate to your Slack workspace. Once you're in your preferred Slack channel, which for our example will be named All Soys Team, but yours might be different. The goal here is to set the stage for organizing our points in a visually structured manner. You will start by creating a bulleted list. This is where the magic begins. To do this, simply click on the bulleted list icon in the message box. This handy tool is usually found within the text formatting options at the bottom of your message input area, easily identifiable by its several dots stacked vertically. Clicking on this will initiate a basic bulleted list setup. Once you have your list initiated, it's time to focus on the indentation part. When you're adding items to your bulleted list, you might want to categorize or nest certain points under others for clarity. To indent a bullet point, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. This will move the bullet point you're working on to the right, creating a sub-point or nested list under your current bullet point. This visual hierarchy within your messages will make it easier for your team members to follow along the logical flow of thoughts, ideas, or tasks you are outlining. However, keep in mind that different users or systems might occasionally encounter issues with tabs not behaving as expected within Slack. If you find that the tab key doesn't work directly in Slack, an alternative approach is to use spaces. Manually hitting the space bar a couple of times can simulate an indent, although this method doesn't automatically create sub-bullets. A creative workaround could be copying and pasting ready-to-use indented bulleted lists from external applications like Word or Google Docs into Slack, preserving the indent format. By mastering these small but effective steps, you can significantly enhance the visual clarity of written communications in Slack, making sure your messages and intentions are effectively conveyed. This small investment into organizing your Slack messages can save time and prevent miscommunication, keeping your team's workflow smooth.